All right, guys, we're gonna wrap my car. It's a 2015 S550. We're going with Nardo Gray. All right, so far, so good. We're just cutting everything out. Quarter panel is all cut. And now we're gonna be doing the doors. We're gonna trim them out and then maybe even do the rocker panel down there. More towards me? Yeah. Doors are cut out, quarter panels cut out. Now we're just doing the measurements for the front bumper. We're gonna get a huge piece and just wrap it all the way around. We're gonna be cutting out the rear bumper and the front bumper. Now we're gonna be measuring my trunk, seeing exactly how big it is. So it's about 60 inches by 29 inches is the trunk. And here we have it labeled top half of the trunk. Right now we're gonna measure out the fender. Fender is 37 by 54. Okay guys, we just cut it out. This is the driver's side quarter panel.
1 day later.
We just washed the car twice. Now we're gonna clay bar it. Clay barred the entire car. Washed it again, so the paint is super smooth everywhere. Bumper, fender, door, side skirts, mirror, quarter panel, everything's clay barred. And then we're gonna move into the garage and then start the disassembly process. We're gonna take apart door handles, mirrors, trim, the grille. We're taking that apart as well. Hood emblem. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy. These door handles as well. Logos, took off the license plate, and then this as well. And the tail lights. Both tail lights. It's the next day. We're starting the disassembly process. So we took apart this door handle, that door handle. We also debadged the car. Took off the S550 logo and the Mercedes-Benz emblem. Right now, what are we doing, T?
Removing the other side of the handles.
And then we're gonna debadge the fender, and then we're actually gonna start wrapping the car today. We already laid out the door piece, rubbed it down with alcohol, used the torch thing. Quick update, we separated the grill, the chrome piece. That shit was hella hard, bro. We had to like use some critical thinking for that one. But yeah, we're about to wrap this gloss black, black out the grill pieces that go in the middle. And this is what the car is looking like so far. Got this whole side done, and we're gonna try to do that pillar all the way down there. We still gotta do this side tomorrow.
1 day later.
Quick update, this is what the car is looking like so far. This entire side is done. Tomorrow, we're gonna get the whole quarter panel done. And the bumper, trunk, and then hood. But yeah, it's coming together nicely. Also, this hood emblem was impossible to get out. You have to twist it counterclockwise, but the vice grips kept slipping off, so it was like impossible to get off.
1 day later.
This is what the car's looking like. We had to take apart the wrap from the fender because it wasn't looking good. But we got this whole part done. It's actually looking a lot better than I expected in this lighting. And then the trunk, we're doing that. We're doing the bumper and we're gonna add a diffuser. We're gonna get this done tomorrow as well. We're gonna finish the bumper tonight, as well as the grille or the rear diffuser. We got this entire side done as well. We're gonna redo that. We're gonna finish the hood and the bumper tomorrow. And we're gonna add the carbon fiber pieces. Should look pretty sick once it's done. And I'm also posting short form content with way more clips on my TikTok and my Instagram. So you guys should check it out there if you want to see everything. Update, we got the rear bumper off so we can install a rear diffuser. This was impossible to take off. It took us like 2 or 3 hours. We're gonna add the carbon diffuser, throw it back on, and then we're gonna wrap it gray. And then we took off these exhaust tips, a bunch of T20s, and same thing on this side. Just clips off, and then you got to move the wiring harness. And I'm gonna figure out if I have to move the module right here, and then I think just a few more tabs, and then the whole rear diffuser can come out. We're gonna install the new diffuser. It should just snap on, hopefully, bro. So we'll see if it's just plug and play. 1 hour later, we have the diffuser on. Bro, look, I'm bleeding. The clip on this side was a little bit too fast, so we have to shave it down, we have to trim it down. And we finally snapped the diffuser on. Fitment is like pretty good, not too bad for eBay quality. I look like a mess. This is taking forever, but almost done.
1 day later.
All right, guys, check this out. My bad, I couldn't record that much. We've been busy, all hands needed. So we put on the diffuser. It took us forever. We're still trying to figure out the exhaust tips. Wrap the bumper. Gonna wrap this bottom half. We're gonna have to redo this fender. Did the hood, and we gotta do the front bumper. All right, we're gonna put that window trim back on. That's what it's looking like so far. Just need to finish the chrome delete, reinstall door handles, cut out the side skirts. I want that black piece to show. And then we need to finish cutting out the front bumper, black out my front grille. Same thing on this side. We need to wrap this Nardo gray, the side skirt, and then leave that black overlay piece. Carbon side skirts, or carbon fender overlay. Still need to add the trunk, the carbon fiber trunk lip. But we got the diffuser on, the exhaust tips. I found a muffler shop. I'm gonna get a muffler delete and resonator delete. So they're gonna cut out 2 mufflers and 2 resonators for $200, which is like a steal. And they're also gonna install my aftermarket exhaust tips. Slowly but surely coming together. This has been taking forever, but it's coming together nicely. So we'll see. We'll see how much longer it takes. We'll see how much longer it takes to get this car back together. But I'm taking it back home with me tonight because I need my car. And then I'll bring it back to get the finishing touches. All right, guys, update. Next day, I took the car. Almost done. We just need to put exhaust tips and finish the chrome delete. But this is what it's looking like. We're at Point Dune or Doom or something.
1 day later.
It's time I make my S550 louder. I put up to Moyoira's exhaust shop here in LA. And now I don't have exhaust tips because we just installed this diffuser. And the car looks sick. I don't usually let nobody drive my car, bruh. Alright, this is what underneath the car looks like. These are the secondary pads or the bullet resonators. H-pipe, resonators, and then mufflers. Alright, muffler is off. My boy David put up on me. Damn, that's just hard. 22s. Exhaust tips are on both sides. Right here as well. We removed the resonators, the mufflers on each side. One right here, one right there. And then I ended up keeping my bullet resonators just for now. These are the resonators we took out. These are the mufflers. And these are the old OEM exhaust tips right here with the brackets. All right, the car's coming down.
One day later.
We also went ahead and installed the fenders and we chrome deleted all the window trim. We also installed the carbon trunk lip and chrome deleted this piece on the trunk. And check this out. We put the exhaust tips on. So it's a real setup kind of right now. And it looks so good. It was a mission to get that on there. Look at that. It's like 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It looks sick. I just need to wire my brake lamp, the third one right there. That'll be sick. Should I keep it debadged? I think it looks pretty good like that. But yeah, the car's coming together. So blacked out the door handles and the window trim is all blacked out as well.
1 day later.
All right, guys, here's the final walk around of the car. It's all finished up. Here's a proper walk around. That's how it's looking like. What y'all think? A lot of work went into this. Was it worth it? Yes. Was it a lot of work? Also, yes. But it's finally done. This damn diffuser's on there. Got the carbon on there. Blacked out all the trim. Check out Apex Modules if you guys need CarPlay for your Mercedes, BMW, Audi. It's OEM plug and play kit. So you keep your original screen. Tell me that's not sick, bruh. That's just hard. Also, if y'all need magnetic plate covers, check them out, apexmodule.com. Pretty sick. Super badass. Now let me show you guys the inside. Check out the tin on this first off. That shit's dark as shit. Oh, also added spacers. I forgot to mention that. 30 millimeters in the back and then I think 12 in the front. Huge spacers. All right, check out the interior. Starlights, everything, bruh.